Hello my dear friends. So this is day 4, I think. That should be a day 4 when I interact with my wiring harness. I got all my tools to continue execution of these pretty noodles. So as for now, I had some questions of how the overdrive, the differential lock, the AC and oil pressure sensor, how do they work on my car. Turned out the oil pressure sensor just gives no information. That's not even an issue to my former, this one, ECM. So just the ECM produces 12 volts that goes directly to the sensor. Yeah, wiring might be faulty or something like that, but I just attached the scope to the ECM on the car, turned it on, did a little test drive, and found out that absolutely not even an issue that if you have where you don't have an oil pressure, this one wire. I will leave it nearby the new ECM just in case if I will want to install it. But for now, I know how to connect the overdrive, how to properly wire the input and output signals of central differential, and all of this stuff. So as for now, I am about to finish my injector wiring because new wires for it are already here. My new fuses for it are also already here. So everything looks like I just have to polish a little bit the wiring I have here right now, and I'll be ready to close that pretty baby up. Absolutely 100% I will change this old looming, and sometime after I will show you how it will look as the final version of my wiring harness.